a sunlit world of what he believes to be reality. But there is, unseen by most, an underworld, a place that is just as real, but not as brightly lit. A dark side.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
His heart's beating like a drum, 'cause at last he's got this girl home. Oh, relax, baby, now we're all alone. Dawn, while all the birds are singing, two total strangers, but that ain't what they're thinking. Outside it's cold, it's misty and it's raining. They got each other, neither one's complaining. He says, I'm sorry, but I'm out of KY jelly. Never mind sugar, we can catch the early movie.
Welcome again, kids. I'm Regina Hellfire, and this is Sounds from the Dark Side, bringing you the best I can find of the dark, creepy, goth, emo, punk, rock, whatever I can find. I just bring it out to you guys, and I love doing this. And I'm just grateful to anybody who listens. That was the Revolting Cocks with their cover of Rod Stewart's "Do You Think I'm Sexy?" Yeah. Good way to start out today's show. I'm live right now. It's probably most people are probably going to listen to this after it's already been uploaded anyway. But okay, next up we have Hailstorm with their song "Freak Like Me." So let's rock out, kids. Yes, are you a freak like me? Yeah, I fucking love Hailstorm. It's so hard to find good bands, so I just keep scanning YouTube and all the internet all over trying to find new stuff, and it's exciting, you know, because like the song says, we're freaks. Basically, we're just
explorers in the further regions of experience.
Yes, we are. And without more bullshit from that, I don't have much time to do this show. they only give me like 20 minutes to pack as much music as I can into it. So I'm gonna jump right into the next song. This is Blood on the Dance Floor with Rise and Shine here on Sounds from the Dark Side. Enjoy.
And say, no, no, not this time. I'm taking back what is mine.
Happy Halloween. Leave now while you still can.
Leave now before Master finds you. Who is that knocking at my door? Who is that knocking at my door?
Who is that knocking at my door? Be gone with you. Cheating, changing,
Alright, that was Cold Chamber with Fiend. We're having a good show today. We got a few minutes left. Don't have time for a bunch of bullshit. Just gonna play a couple more songs and then we're gonna call this one a wrap. And I'll come back later with some more music. I want to appreciate everybody who's listening in, enjoying the fuck out of this music. So let's keep the party going. This is the song "You Spin Me Around" by Dead or Alive, here on Sounds from the Dark Side.
Children are practicing to duck and cover just as you do in your school. We all know the atomic bomb is very dangerous.
Breathless and on again. Inside today, beside me today, around broken into tear